Hey guys, Priscilla here. Today I'm going to be talking about something a little bit different than what I normally do. You guys will usually see me doing makeup tutorials, some product reviews, some vlogs, but today I'm actually going to be talking about a supplement, more specifically collagen. And the reason I wanted to bring that up is because maybe a few weeks ago I posted about a collagen product that I received from Glamour Nutrition, and I got a ton of questions from you guys wanting to know why I take collagen, what's the benefit of collagen, and why, if I like the brand. So I basically wanted to do a little video of not only reviewing the product, but also giving you some information as far as collagen. As we all know, as we get older, our collagen tends to kind of decrease in our body. We don't produce as much collagen. So it's good to kind of take a supplement to help support the regeneration of those collagen cells. So one thing that you have to keep in mind is when you're buying collagen, you want to make sure that you're buying a good quality collagen. And at the end of the day, how do you really know which collagen is good or which collagen isn't as good? So I'm going to teach you. So like I said, I've been taking collagen from Glamour Nutrition. I was sent these from Glamour Nutrition and I absolutely have been obsessed with it. So they sent me this first one, this packaging, which is their Unflavored collagen. It's from their natural series, so it's gonna have no artificial sweeteners, flavors, or colors. It's also sugar-free, gluten-free, and fat-free. The good thing about the unflavored one is you can take one scoop and mix it in any beverage or food, which makes it a lot easy for those of you who kind of don't know how to take your collagen. And then another one that they sent me was the collagen, which is the same as this one. However, this one is flavored. And this one also comes in a different packaging, which are these little pouches, which make it really easy for the person that's on the go, or if you're traveling, you can just kind of throw it in your bag, mix it with water, and you're good to go. Now, some of the things that I kind of wanted to chat with you guys about is, how do I know that I have a good quality collagen product? So I'm going to teach you how. So a few things that you want to look at when it comes to collagen is, first, you want to find out if it's type 1 and 3 collagen. And as you can see here, we have this one which is type 1 and type 3. The reason why you want to look for type 1 and 3, it's because it's going to be the most potent kind of collagen. Now, if a collagen has 3 different types, then you don't want to choose that one because it's probably going to be more watered down and not as potent, okay? So keep that in mind. Another thing that you want to look at is if it's a hydrolyzed peptide, and you can see here that this one is. And basically what this means is that the amino acids is going to be broken down so that your body is able to absorb it a lot better. So hydrolyzed peptide is very important. And then another thing that you want to look at is if it's a bovine collagen, which is also going to mean that this is going to be the most potent and effective type of collagen. And it basically means that it comes from an animal, from a cow. So very important for you to look at those 3 main things that you want to look at when you're choosing your collagen. Now, I put together a little something to show you guys how I use my collagen. So for example, the unflavored collagen, sometimes I will do like a snack. So here I have some Greek yogurt, some berries, and granola, and I've actually did a scoop of my collagen in my yogurt so that I can have it as a snack. It's also healthy and it's not going to change the flavor of the yogurt, which is kind of nice. You can also do your collagen, for example, a scoop with your coffee in the morning, a scoop with your smoothie. Sometimes I'll do an avocado toast and I'll do a scoop inside I'll mash my avocados with a scoop of my collagen, and I'll do that. So with your food or with beverages, you can do a scoop of your collagen in there. And then for the other type of collagen, which is the little sachets, I usually do it with water. I added a little mint in there to make it cute. So I usually just throw a little sachet with my water. This is great, like I said, if you're traveling or if you're kind of always on the go, you're always kind of running out and about, it's good. Also, for those of you who aren't big water drinkers, just because you think water is boring, this is a good way to not only get your collagen, but also get your water intake throughout the day. So sometimes I'll put this in my water bottle and drink it throughout my day. Also wanted to talk about these two because they're going to be giving you about 11 grams of collagen per scoop or per package. And like I said, the collagen is going to help support not only your beauty health, like your hair, your skin, and nails, but collagen also helps build muscle. It also helps with bone health. So there's so many different things that collagen helps with. And like I said, the older we get, the less collagen we produce. So it's very important that we supplement it by using either a product that has good quality collagen in it. So that's pretty much it. I know the video is a little bit different than what I normally do, but if you guys enjoyed video like this, please let me know. I would love to share more of what I know or supplements that I take. I'm not a pro, I'm not an expert, but these are things that I just have learned throughout the years that I wanted to share with you guys. When I first started to take collagen, I didn't know how to look for a good quality collagen. I just thought I needed to take collagen, and I didn't know that I needed to look for these specific things. So I was basically throwing my money away on something that wasn't really doing much for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, to share, and if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave it down here. And if you don't already follow me on Instagram, please do. My handle is pre-bureau. I'll leave it here so you guys can check it out. Till next time, bye.